Good day, sir. My name is Charlie Maglinte, and for today's video, I'll be performing a burping techniques, which is the over the shoulders or in on the lap. So the reason to burp your baby is to release gas or air taken in during feedings, and also babies feel better after burping, and also it is to stimulate the baby. So now I'll be demonstrate first the over the shoulder. So either standing or sitting position. So but first I will be perform hand hygiene. It's to prevent the spread of microorganisms. So right after the perform hand hygiene, so let's go proceed to the procedure. Then now let's proceed to the procedure, which is the over the shoulder. So first I will be performing a standing position. So hold the baby firmly in your hand, and then hold the baby in your chest, and then after that is to put a clean towel on your opposite shoulder. It is going to prevent the babies after birthing, and then place the babies in the side, and then after that is by hold the babies by your non-dominant hand, and also your dominant hand will be tapping the baby's back, go like this, and then after that you can also rub the baby's back, and then now I'll be performing a sitting position. So the sitting position is you do the same procedure. It's just the difference is you are now sitting. So you can also do the same, and then tap the baby's back, and also you can also rub the baby's back. Now I'll be performing the on the lap. So on the lap is you have to sit on the chair. Now I'll be performing the on the lap burping techniques. So now hold the babies, and put the clean towel on your opposite lap, and then slightly sit the baby on your lap, and then hold the neck of the baby firmly with your non-dominant hand, and also now starting the rub the baby's back, or also tap the baby's back. And then after that is after the baby's burping, place the babies in a comfortable position, and then discard. So learning about burping is breastfed babies tend to burp less. Sometimes babies don't burp, and also burp for about a minute, then continue feeding. And then if baby is crying, try standing, rocking, or talking to your baby. And that's all for today. Thank you.